Hey everyone, welcome back to Baum Grillin'z. Today you can tell that I'm not making anything on the grill. I have been doing some TLC around the cowboy kitchen, and there is a lot to do. I know that I've been gone for a couple months, and I just kind of wanted to explain to you guys what I've been doing. I recently got a new job, and it has taken all of my time to learn this new job. So I unfortunately have been able to, well, I have not been able to make YouTube videos in the last couple months, and it has been crazy. This new job is good, I like it. It's just not YouTube. So I would love to be creating more YouTube videos for you guys, and now that I'm kind of getting into the swing of things at my new job, things are settling down, I'm going to be able to make more videos for you. So I'm really excited about that. Baum Grillin'z hasn't gone anywhere. I've just been AFK for the last couple months, and I just wanted to give you guys a video explaining what I've been doing and why I have kind of disappeared. So the cowboy kitchen, it's been in bad shape. I haven't taken care of it for, well, quite a while. So it needs a little bit of TLC, some scrubbing down. It's gonna need a new coat of stain, and I've been sanding it and kind of refixing everything. So anyways, thank you guys for sticking around. I love all of my subscribers. You guys are all amazing. And I'm going to be producing more videos. Don't go away. I'm still here. So that is my passion. I'm going to be creating a new recipe video here within the next week. So keep an eye out for that. All right, so in the meantime, I'm gonna continue to sand this here cowboy kitchen so it's ready to cook on. I'll see you guys in the next video.